Hi, myself Chhatrapati Srikanth. Actually, I am buying a new car and this is the first time. I don't have much knowledge and I know about car Carvaija and booked for PDA scanning in Hyderabad, Madhapur, and they recommended Mustafa as my representative. And while discussing with him, he explained me a lot of details regarding new car, how it will be done and everything he showed me. Everything went well and I am pretty much sure like he helped me about lot of details regarding the new car and I liked it very much and we are going to buy a new car now. Thanks very much to Mustafa and Carvaija. Thank you.